Assalamu alaikum, I'm Muhammad Rizwan. Today I'm going to tell you how to install a composer. Click on Google Chrome, type here composer for Windows and click the first link. After that, click here composer setup.exe. When you click here, then downloading has started. So let the downloading finish. So downloading has been completed. Click here and now click on install for all users. After that you will see a window. Here you have to click next and at the end finish. As I've already installed it, so I will not install it again. After that you have to open your CMD and type here composer. So when you see here composer like this, so it means your composer has successfully been installed. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.